Start by placing cage nuts into the leg panels at the desired position, by pushing them into the holes and turning them 90 degrees. 2 cage nuts are required for each corner of the shelf. The cage nuts are secured by pushing. Hold the shelf in position, aligned with the cage nuts, and fix the shelf into position by loosely placing all 8 washers and bolts into the cage nuts. Once all in place, work your way back around, tightly securing each one. You can add rubber shelf matting to provide an anti-slip surface to the shelf. The same principles apply when fitting alongside any other components.